Universal's Christmas celebration starts next month. They have some new Grinchmas merchandise. We'll show you some of that inside of the Mulberry Street store, plus some classic Grinchmas merchandise. For $25, a child's t-shirt. Ho, ho, ho. It has Max on it, a can of Who Hash, and is that the reflection of the Grinch in a Christmas bulb? As he's stealing the Christmas tree, perhaps? Child sizes only. $30 for this red Merry Grinchmas t-shirt. Take a close look at the graphic on the front there. Another $30 t-shirt. This one is a play on words. My presence is your present. I love it. Here we have a Grinch Spirit jersey, Spirit shirt. It's the front of it there. This is the adult size for $85. I'll show you the back real fast too. There you go. It says Merry Grinchmas on the back. Kind of that, like ugly Christmas sweater design on the bottom here. But they do have child-sized versions of this for $60. Another $30 item. This is a plush Grinch in his Christmas jammies. Oh, is he adorable in these or not? A jean jacket hoodie. That's the front of it there. There's the left chest. It's $90. So part denim, like a jean jacket, and then the back. I'll flip it around here, and there is the back graphic. You can see the hoodie there, but $90 for this. Here's a crop top. Used to call this a half shirt way back in my day. The nice list is so overrated. So it's a half shirt. Is it half the price? No, it's $33. The most expensive t-shirt we've seen so far. A Grinch fleece blanket for $60. Feels pretty good. This is one side. I'll show you the other side. That's the two sides, the front and the back. Obviously the front, the best looking part. This adorable Grinch bag is $75. It is not a Loungefly. This is a Universal Studios bag, but it's adorable like a Loungefly. Now a Merry Grinchmas kitchen apron. $40 for it. 40 bucks. Oh, you know the Loungefly. No, well, not the Loungefly, but the bag we just saw. The matching wallet, or the wallet that goes with it. $35 for it. Heart. Looks like it's grown. And of course, the Grinch there. $25 for the Merry Grinchmas knit cap. With a little pom-pom on front. A little heart on it as well. I think that heart's growing too. $22 for the growing heart gloves. The matching scarf goes with all of this stuff. The matching scarf is $27. Speaking of $27, that's what you're going to pay for this Grinch headband with the Santa cap there. A couple of different style headbands, but they're also $27 each. $12 for the ornament with your name on it. Richard. You know, why so formal? I always find Richard, but never a Rick. Here is another Grinch plush. This one a little different style-wise. It is $25. $35 for the Grinch playset. This is what it comes in, a little box like that, but that is what it looks like when it's all opened up. There you go. Sorry for the glare. $70 for the Grinch sleepwear. This onesie here, you know, the hood. The hood looks like the Grinch. $70. This is for people who like to stand out in a crowd and steal my thunder. The Whoville setup, the larger pieces there are 150. So 150, 150. These are also 150. The smaller pieces there, I think, are around 30. I know those are 30. They don't have a price on the double. You would think it's a little more, but set yourself up a nice little Whoville this holiday season. Here's a nice t-shirt for $30. It says, "This is as merry as I get." I think this is just a lady's garment because it seems like the waist is a little tapered. So I think just for ladies, but it's pretty cute. $40 for the long sleeve Merry Grinchmas. This one I think has a little bit more of a football look to it because of the stripes on the sleeve, whereas this one over here looks a little more like baseball. $33 for the Grinchmas pajama shorts. Next to the pajama shorts, we have the pajama pants. These are $40. Drawstring, just like the shorts. Has a ring at the bottom, like where your ankles are. But $40 for the pants, and what I say, $33 for the shorts. Now this is interesting. I thought this was the top that would go with these shorts, but no, it is a top, a tank top, but it automatically comes with a different style of shorts, and this is $55, so it comes as a set. Now we have for $37 a long t-shirt, a pajama t-shirt. It's really long, misunderstood. That's a good shirt for mom. $37. A sleep mask for $15. Help you fall asleep on Christmas Eve and keep you from peeking at those presents. Now this bag is a Loungefly. $95 for it. Let me kind of rotate it around for you. There's one side. There's the back side. The other side where it has the Loungefly badge. And back to the front. Like I said, $95 for this mini backpack. Another Grinch in jammies. Another $25 spent. Two more Spirit jerseys for $85. This one here. Always Naughty. And then the red one over here. Merry Grinchmas. The Grinchmas holiday tree skirt is $40. The Grinch stocking is $21. Dashing through the... Nope. I think we saw this last year. It's $33. You need a mug for that hot chocolate or eggnog. $18 for this one. $45 for this bag, or should I say two bags? It's a twofer. You get two bags in this package. Oh my, this little wallet with the keychain there, it's $40. You're not going to have any money to put in the wallet. This is another classic shirt we've seen in the past. It is $30. Feast mode. This little Grinch zipper is $12, and your first fill is free. These are knee socks for $24. Grinch Max. Oh, there we go. That's what all three look like. All three in one box. $24. We saw this last year. It is $55. Or is it $50? Yeah, $55. It's a fill-in Grinchy blanket that comes with its own, like, carry holder thingy. So, there you go. It's back. It's still here. A couple more of pajama t-shirts, those long pajama t-shirts. Each one is $37. Ho ho no, and I don't like morning people. Or mornings, or people. Here's a shirt for Dad to wear to Christmas dinner. Grinchmas shirt. It buttons up the front, left pocket. What is that, $65 for the dad shirt? Here's a classic Grinch mug. We've seen this before. $25. Again, for your hot cocoa, your eggnog, your Bailey's Irish cream, maybe. The Ooh People line of merchandise we've seen in the past few years. The t-shirt is 30 bucks and the coffee mugs are 18. The hat to go with all that, $27. They even have an Ooh People crossbody bag for $45. Some more pajama bottoms, pajama pants, $35 for those. A little different, but also $35. And the shorts are $30. The pillow in between all the pajamas is $35. $37 for the baseball tee. This is as merry as it gets. Or how about this one for $35? Old Grinchy Claus is back. For those of you who like large water bottles, $35 for this one. It's very rigid, it's a lot of texture to it. Couple of, I was going to say kids, but it's more like toddler t-shirts for $28. Yes, $28. Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas, and I'm here for the presents. Here's another classic, something we have seen in the past for $70. It is a hooded blanket. There's the picture of it. Get a better idea of how it is, front and back. A classic Grinch item. Some more Grinch sleepwear. The child size here is $60. The adult size is $70. The hood of it, has the Grinch face. That one does too, but if you really want to stand out from the crowd and you're really seeking attention, then the one I showed you earlier is the one to go with. Again, like I said before, $70. The fuzzy furry backpack is $65. The tin lunchbox is $24, and the little fuzzy wallet is $45. Well, I think I helped you spend enough Christmas money today. Don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun. Chahua hua, Mr. Grinch. Until next time.